Hello guys, a very good evening, and I'm here at the golf course, and I came along with my my mother-in-law and father-in-law, just so my mother-in-law could just walk and then stroll around in this beautiful golf course, just to get some fresh air because she's been in the house for quite some time now. I just want to thank God, when I look around and see the beauty of this golf course, it just reminds me of how great and how good our God is. Everything He has created for Himself and for His glory. And these creations that you see, reveals that there is a creator. The creations of God reveals the glory of God. And I know that this is one of the way that we can know and acknowledge and in our lives that there is a God who created all these wonderful things that you can see around, and more importantly, the Creator, God does not just have a right in our lives because He created us, but more than just that is that He came and He redeemed us with His blood. And that gives God an ownership of our lives, by the act of creation and also by the act of, redeeming us through His own blood. 2,000 years ago, when Jesus was willing to go to the cross and shed His precious blood for you and for me. So, I want to just tell you with this short video to tell you that, you are precious in the eyes of God. And above all these things that God has created, you are the climax of His creation. You are, the apple of His eye. You are His beloved and He loves you. And know that you are special, Know that you are unique. Know that the potential that God, has placed within you is something that He wants to use so that you can be a blessing to this world and to this generation and the generations to come. So, with this word, I just would like to tell you, remember how special you are. God had you in His mind. When He created all these beautiful things, He had you in His mind. You are special to Him. You are in His heart. He loves you. He cares for you. And know that the plans and the purposes of God are good for your life. Know that, the plan that He has is for your benefit, not to harm you, but remember to prosper you, to give you a hope and a future. God bless you until we see again. Bye-bye.